off we go again, and riding along in some grass. So, explain what we've been doing so far.
Well, we started off by spending about 20 minutes being unable to find one another. Yeah.
Right, you know.
Yeah, so we're spending a lot of time around Asda. Yvonne wasn't in again.
Oh, that's cool.
Well, she is a bit, to be honest. Sorry, Brett, if you're watching from home. Mind you, Yvonne will be watching then as well. So.
She might be having a wank.
Probably not.
Alright.
Sure, Yvonne.
Use a vibrator then. Stick it up there.
Stick a vibrator.
She's a woman. It's my loud laugh again. Yeah, so we then decided to go to the hill. Good old hill. Wasn't too bad actually. It's picked up some speed. Oh shit!
Like yesterday.
No, it was
Day
alright.
before.
We went past a runner. Good evening, I said to him. He didn't answer. He was bald. Actually, he was wearing a hat, so I shouldn't know. No, but then I flew like that.
You didn't pick up any aerodynamics.
No aerodynamics. The tyres were slightly flat, so I was never going to pick up any speed. And then we went down the deadly hill of death.
Can you explain why it's a deadly hill of death? Well,
the deadly hill of death is because if anybody's noticed the scar on Rafa's chin, a few years ago there was a tragic story when Rafa's accidentally went over the handlebars on his bike. And
well, I'll take it from here. Will.
You'll take it from here. I can't do this. I'm sorry. It's too hard.
I'll try. I was 7. Yeah.
Just hold it in, Rafa.
I was 7 at the time. She's got a new bike.
I can't deal with this. It's too hard. Bloody hell. Bloody hell!
Me and the mumbler.
Wank.
And Adam.
Shit.
We went on a bike ride. It was a good bike ride. Came to the end of the bike ride. Had to take on a treacherous hill. Really was shockingly bad. Shockingly bad.
Hold it, Raptors, come on.
It was a bad hill. But so I went down the hill. Come on. You gotta say it. You gotta let it out. Come on. I went too fast. I can't deal with it. I didn't use the brakes. I used my feet. I went head over handlebars.
It hurts so bad.
Let's go for a bike ride. I'll hold it back. So, no, well. Let's get you to Asda.
That'll be nice.
Get a couple of pasties in. Get a couple of drinks in.
Get a couple of drinks.
Get some sugar.
Oh, I'd like that. Some sugar.